Right here is International Drive, a very busy street in Central Florida. And right across the street is the Wonderworks building, which is exactly where Travis and I are going today. Let's take a closer look. As you guys can see, they have it decorated for the holidays, gave it kind of a candy cane look and a wreath on the top, but I can't get over how insanely weird it is to look at a building that's entirely upside down. Hi everybody and welcome to the world of Micah. Today we are here at the Wonderworks building on International Drive in Central Florida. This is going to be my very first time visiting the Wonderworks building. You guys are going to get to tag along. Travis is going to tag along. It's going to be a ton of fun. I'm ready. Travis, are you ready?
Ready for some wonders and some works.
Let's take a closer look. Before we walk in, I wanted to greet the soldiers here guarding the property. It's time to go inside. Look at this robot. How wild is this? That's so cool. Right as you walk in, the house continues to be completely upside down. There's the staircase, and what would be the front door. As you would walk in, you would walk up those stairs. This is so insane. Wow. All right, we prepaid our tickets. It's time to check in. All right, I think the first stop is going to be the Hurricane Shack. Step inside the Hurricane Shack, put on your safety goggles, and get ready to feel 74-mile-an-hour winds in this simulator. Oh my gosh. Category 1, Travis. Cold as ice. This is just like the water during the Titanic. This water is 38 degrees Fahrenheit or 3.3 degrees Celsius. Fresh water freezes and turns to ice at 32. I don't know, do I want to stick my hand down in there?
The guy just redid it, I just saw him do it, but it's whether or not you want to freeze your hand.
Do I want to freeze my hand? You know what? I gotta do it.
Alright, bud. You ready?
Yeah. This is for you, Jack and Rose. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Oh, y'all. Can you go for 20? Can you go for 20?
I'm gonna go for 25. Might as well go for 25. Yeah. Yeah. All right, Travis. You gonna put your hand in there and see what happens?
Are you gonna get shocked?
Probably not. I don't think they'd do it if you got shocked.
How do you,
Just keep going in. There it is. Oh my gosh, it's touching you. Be careful, there looks like there's a hole in that thing. Just kidding. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. Okay, this is slightly terrifying, I'm not gonna lie. All right, level 1 exhibits are completed. Time to head up to level 2. As you can see, everything is still completely upside down except for the lights. The lights have, well, no, I guess, yeah, they are upside down. And right up here it says to walk towards this picture and see it disappear.
Come up here, stare into his eyes.
Weird. Walk past the paintings. Do the eyes follow you? Ooh, he's following me. And she's following me. And you're following me too. That is weird though. If from this angle, they are looking completely at me. But if we shift over, now they're looking over here. Look at us.
My nose is cold.
The camera's cold.
My nose is cold.
Yeah. My face is just red. They have a bed of nails where if you lay down right here on the bed and hold that button down, piercing nails come up. Those are real. Like, that is sharp. I think I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna lay on the bed of nails. I'll tell you when.
Hit this button right here.
Alright.
You ready?
Yep. Oh my gosh. That's so weird.
Good?
That's so weird.
Travis, you ready to strike a pose? Go ahead, buddy. You ready?
At the end of the countdown, your inner broken focus is on. Now get ready. 3, 2, 1, 3.
That's great. I've always wanted to step on one of these large pianos just like Tom Hanks did in Big, but unfortunately this one doesn't seem to be working. And look at this sand pit. There seems to be, oh wow, yeah, look, there's live action things happening. In reality, it's just a projection, but it looks pretty incredible. Stand back and stare at the center of the vortex for 20 seconds. Then look at the clouds. Are they moving? I don't know. Let's see. All right. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, everything's moving in here. Ooh, that's a little weird. Let's see what celebrity I look like. Well, Oh! Look at Travis being Aquaman. Whoa! You can even try on a real spacesuit. Look at Travis. Oh my gosh, it is like Mission Space. I would not want to do that. Tip my hats to those guys, but that's not for me. Okay, pay attention to the black. Do not look at the white. Do you see faces talking to each other? That's so cool. And here at the Wonderworks, they have the Bubble Lab. Hold this down, and a big bubble comes up. Aw, you popped my bubble. Here, you pull it up. I want to see what it looks like from that side. Oh, wow. I think the secret is just taking it slow. Whoop. Maybe not. Oh, there you go. Yeah, you gotta go fast with it. Whoa! What? That's nuts! Can he put himself in a bubble? Yes.
Bubble boy.
Bubble boy. Gonna test my trivia here with TV trivia. I think I could do this. I'm getting pretty close to the high score. I still have a few questions to go. We'll see if I beat the high score. Getting close. Would you look at that? I have the new high score here at the Wonderworks Theme Song Challenge. And I still have a few more questions to go. It really does help though that I know every single one of these TV shows theme songs. Current high score is 3,790. Oh, I take that back, 3,996. And we're on the last one, and it's DuckTales, which means the high score is gonna change. I'm gonna set a new high score. Thanks, Duckburg. All right, the new high score here at the Wonderworks is 4,000 1,213. I challenge you to come beat my high score. Even the Christmas tree here at the Wonderworks is upside down. And no experience at the Wonderworks would be complete without a visit to the gift shop. I always wanted one of these. I think you just do this. Yeah. Yep. And then if you want to do more of them, you just drop 2. Doesn't really work as well, but you get the idea.
Like and subscribe for the Micah.
Of course, you can't go wrong with the voice changer, but I love how you grab the smaller one and they have a larger one right there. Ooh, check out the shirt. It's got the upside down building right on the front. And you can get the shirt that says, "Nailed it," because you laid on the bed of nails. Get it? And for $3, you can get a mold-orama of the building. I've got to do it. I've got to do it. All right, it is currently making my mold. Yeah, it like injects it with the mold. It only takes 30 seconds. I think it's done, Travis. I don't know. Maybe it has to cool. That's probably what it does, yeah. 4 little valves in here. Oh, there it is.
Let's go scrape her off.
Yep.
Get out of here.
Boom.
Is it hot?
It's a little warm, yeah.
You gotta cut off the excess, I guess.
It's still a little wet, too. But I have my own Wonderworks building to take home. It's pretty awesome.
A little bit of...
Yeah, I'll go home and doctor it up a little bit, but kind of cool. Awesome. Well, I think I've done it. I think I've seen everything there is to see here at the Wonderworks, which means it's time to say goodbye. But if you enjoyed this episode, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's free. It'll keep you updated with my latest video. If you would like to support this channel, please visit my Patreon page at patreon.com/World of Micah, where donating $1 a month can help fund episodes just like this. I had a lot of fun visiting Wonderworks. This was my very first time, but will not be my last time, but I'm glad you guys got to tag along. I'll see you on the next episode of World of Micah, everybody. Until then, stay weird. Goodbye.